12,900 years ago, the world plunged into a winter that lasted more than 1,000 years, and nobody can agree on what caused it. Shall we peek behind the story? Last time, we left Göbekli Tepe with a question. Today, we go back further, to the winter that may have built it. The Younger Dryas, a climate reversal so sudden, so brutal, that within roughly a single human generation, temperatures in the North Atlantic dropped by up to 10 degrees. Forests gave way to tundra. Ice returned where it had melted. Entire ecosystems collapsed. And then, 1,000 years later, the cold lifted, just as suddenly as it began. So, what hit the switch? No one has the answer. Not yet. Fancy a deeper look? The most widely accepted explanation is this. As the last ice age ended, a vast glacial lake in North America, Lake Agassiz, released a massive flood of freshwater into the North Atlantic, disrupting the ocean currents that carry warm water north. The heat engine of the Northern Hemisphere stalled, and the world froze. That's the story we were taught. Yes, it is plausible indeed. That is the textbook answer. But not everyone agrees. One group of researchers believes the answer came from the sky. Their proposal is called the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis, and it suggests that a comet fragmented above the northern ice sheet, triggering continental wildfires and flipping the climate into an almost 1,200-year freeze. Their evidence: platinum spikes, nanodiamonds, microscopic melt glass. Found at dozens of sites across 4 continents, materials that proponents argue are evidence of a cosmic event. A dramatic story, a tempting one. But other scientists ran the same tests and could not replicate the results of the impact hypothesis. First problem. No confirmed impact crater linked to the Younger Dryas has ever been found. Not one. Second problem. The very materials held up as cosmic fingerprints also occur naturally in volcanic ash and wildfire debris. And in 2025, a new study on the platinum spike in the Greenland ice cores suggested that even the timing was inconsistent with an instantaneous event. The platinum didn't arrive when the cooling began. It came decades later and lasted more than 10 years. Not a comet's instant signature, but the imprint of volcanic activity in Iceland. So, was it a flood from below or fire from above? This is not a closed case, it is an open argument, and both sides are producing evidence as we speak. Whatever the cause, one fact stands above the rest. The Younger Dryas ends just before the rise of Göbekli Tepe, the long winter that may have forged its builders. Comet? Meltwater? Something else entirely? We keep asking what froze the world. Perhaps the better question is what it left behind.